Hello everybody, this is my first time here. My name is Romina, so be nice please, because this is my first time speaking English. It's difficult for me to try to speak another language, but I will do my best. So I'm going to show you how to create beautiful scat background using an stencil and distress outside. I create beautiful clothes using the stencil because I really try to do a slime card, but didn't work for me, so I use old paper, and you will see another video with the same background. This process is easy to do, so I really enjoy the moment when I try to blend in my distress outside, and I let me to put some music and enjoy. I want to use the Bombots die from Pixie Dust design, but I didn't want to make a regular car, so I tried to make another car. I really like the result. This is funny, this is great. I cut the car past leaving one side uncut, but the die to create an open mechanism. I'm not sure if I express myself very well, but the idea is to create a beautiful car like bone. Use this die because it's very easy to use, it's very simple. You create a lot of projects. This is one of the way you can use it. So I have to say, very sorry, my English is not good. I don't practice for a long time and I try to explain myself, so please forgive me if you don't understand. You can leave your question and comment down below and we'll be happy to respond. Also remember that we'll leave a link to all the material I'm using in the video description. I'm going to assemble my car with all the paper piece I die cut use. So I try to use a strong blue because this card have many paper and as way the element may become loose in the future. For the sentiment on my card, I will use the Valentine Puppy stamp set, and I use the technique for embossing. I really love the idea to use black paper to make my embossing, and really like the white power and golden power with the black paper. This is a beautiful detail. I think your card maybe is going to the next level because the black paper is very different, very elegant, and this is the difference to make a simple card an aesthetic card. I don't know if I explain myself well, but maybe you can use in your next project and let me think. Let me know if you think is I okay or not with me. This is the card I have prepared for you today. I hope you enjoy the process, and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Don't forget subscribe my video channel.